Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the heater fuses are located, you have up to 3 fuses that you need to check in 2 different fuse boxes. We will explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way do not waste money and time. Why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the heater fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here guys. You have multiple fuse boxes in that car that they will be working too, and the first fuse box that we need, you need to open the driver door. Once you do that, look under the dash guys, look upside down there. Once you look on the left side of the bottom of the dash, you will see one white cover like this one. Remove it. Behind it you will find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here for the heater we need to check one fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check 2 more. Here that's fuse 1 through 16 in that row, that's 17 through 32, and here we need to check fuse number 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. That fuse right here, 7.5 amp fuse. Next you need to open the hood on your Toyota Corolla. Once you open the hood, facing the engine on the right side, you have a fuse box under this cover. Open it and you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Now, by the way, if you need to buy guys any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste money and time. One of the fuses that you need to check for the heater is that one very first fuse, known as fuse number 1, and then you need to check fuse number 27 for the heater fan right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.